boys and girls, I found another something that's absolutely incredible. Wow. Oh my God. Heavy door. Oh my God, this thing, it's time. Oh, this is beautiful. This is teeny. Is my flash on? No. Oh wow. This thing is petite for sure. Oh, this thing is old. Look how small it is. Not the smallest I've been in, but definitely one of them. Wow. It's a kind of a bird cage. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. Oh, this thing runs beautifully. Oh my, what is this? Oh, that's the alarm. Okay, my bad. No stop switch. Wow. This is incredible. This absolutely deserves another ride. I landed on 6. This place was just unlocked too. I walked right in here. Oh my God. There is some incredible stuff in this neighborhood. Original K&H's, 2 original Getz manual freighter, original Otis micro drive, now this. Oh my God. And we can't forget the original Reliances. Oh, and another original crank-operated Otis freighter. Ravenswood is the place to go if you want. Whoa, hold up. The elevator's eager to shut me out. Whew. Look at this thing. Look at that. That's cool. And I am literally dripping sweat right now. You guys do not know how hot it is today. And that's it. That's where the K&H is, where that clock tower. That's it.